Namaha. Have you been struggling with cold, cough, breathlessness since you are engaged? Does cold season bother you? Well, here's a tip for you. If you consume hot water through the day instead of refrigerated or water in room temperature, it would help you on the longer run. Apart from that, to diagnose what is the main cause and to eradicate the problem from the root, try Ayurveda. It would really help you, and you may be even able to consume cold things on a future run. Thank you.